In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a LeadPages pop-up for more leads. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this quick and easy tutorial will help you turn more website visitors into leads. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also share some alternative tools that might be better for your goals, and you'll want to know about the exclusive free trial we've got for you. So, let's jump right in. First, after logging into your LeadPages account, go ahead and click on Create New in the dashboard. From here, you'll be able to select Pop-up as your lead capture option. You'll see several pre-made pop-up templates to choose from. These are designed to grab your visitors' attention, but make sure you choose one that aligns with your brand and message. Next, once you've selected your template, it's time to customize it. LeadPages makes it really easy to change the text, colors, and imagery. If you're offering a freebie or discount, make sure the message is clear and straightforward. The pop-up should feel natural on your site, not intrusive. You can also add your logo for brand consistency and make sure the call to action is bold. This is key to increasing conversions. The third thing you'll want to do is set the behavior triggers for the pop-up. You can choose when it appears based on user actions, such as when someone is about to leave your page or after a certain amount of time. I recommend setting a trigger for about 5 seconds into the visit, so your visitors have enough time to check out what you have to offer before the pop-up appears. Next, let's talk about targeting. LeadPages allows you to target specific pages, so you don't annoy visitors on every single page. If your goal is to capture leads on your product pages, set the pop-up to only show on those pages. You can also decide whether you want it to show to returning visitors or just first-time users. This makes the pop-up feel more personalized and less intrusive. The fifth thing you need to consider is the timing and frequency of your pop-up. You don't want to bombard your visitors with constant pop-ups. LeadPages lets you set how often the pop-up appears for the same user. I recommend keeping it to once per visit. Too many pop-ups can lead to annoyed visitors, and we don't want that. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Publish button. LeadPages will provide you with a snippet of code to place in your website's header, or you can integrate directly with platforms like WordPress. If you're not familiar with code, they've also got easy integrations that require just a few clicks. Now, you've got a pop-up that's ready to convert visitors into leads, but before we wrap up, let me tell you something important. While LeadPages is great, there are other tools that are a better fit if you're focusing on high-converting, easy-to-use lead capture forms. At the end of this video, I'll give you a look at these alternatives, and you'll get a special extended free trial, exclusive only to viewers like you. These tools do the same thing, but they come with better features and flexibility. That's it for this LeadPages pop-up setup. If you're ready to take your lead capture to the next level, check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. And don't forget to check out the alternatives we've mentioned. They're worth considering if you're looking for something that's even more tailored to your goals.